So our whole yard is full of birds, but it is about time for me to leave for work, and Charlie always gets let out to go potty before work, so we're just gonna let him out with the birds and see what happens. For reference, birds. Birds everywhere. Birds. Dog. Birds. Here we go. There are still birds everywhere. The other parts of the lawn. Everywhere. Look at Charlie go. Look at all these birds. I love living on a farm. Oh my gosh. Oh, there goes Charlie. Here he comes. What a happy dog. Okay, that's our bird day. Thanks for watching.